Welcome to GDB Manager. In this video, I'll show you how to bulk rename your user's email domain using smart filters with GW Manager. This will be very helpful if you have multiple domains inside your Google Workspace and you want to change your user's email address, only the domain part because of the rebranding. Let me show you a quick demo. I'm in my Google Workspace administration console. I'll click on Accounts, Domains, Manage Domains, and I see that I have a few domains here. Our current domain primary is gwmanager.com. We are rebranding to addonsstudio.com, which is already a verified secondary domain. And we need to change the email addresses of the users from GW Manager to Add-on Studio. But instead of doing it for all the users, we only need to do it for users who are part of GW Demo Org Unit. And these are 10 users. So my task is rename these users' email addresses, keep the same user's name, 123, 124, etc., but rename the domain from GW Manager to addonsstudio.com. And let me show you how smart filters can help us here. We'll go back to GW Manager test sheet, go to Extensions, GW Manager, and click on Launch to launch the add-on in the sidebar. If you do not see GW Manager extension here, please visit our website to learn more about the installation options. Once the sidebar is launched, I'll choose a feature, Manage Users. Sub-feature should be Smart Filters Export. It will ask you to insert the sheet if you haven't installed yet. I've already installed it here, so it is asking me to execute it. So I'll click on Execute, and it will open a pop-up. And I see a few functions here. I'll go to Rename Domain, and then I'll type the old domain, which is gwmanager.com, and the new domains, which is addonsstudio.com. Now here, I need to put organic path of the users in scope. If I need to do it for all the users in our Google Workspace account, we can put /. But in our case, we only need to do that for users in GW Demo Org Unit. So I will write GW Demo. I can also filter based on last login, but I'll skip that for now. Now, we are not renaming the domain or email addresses right on this screen. We are only using this Smart Filters option to make our data ready for one-click operation. When I click on Export to Update Sheet, it will overwrite any data that I might already have in Update User Sheet. I understand that, so I'll click on this checkbox and click on Export to Update Sheet. Now, GW Manager is filtering these users, putting the email addresses of these users based on our criteria. You will see we have the primary email addresses. It only got users from GW Demo Org Unit as per our instructions, and it has put the new primary email replacing only the domain name part. It has kept everything else same based on the user status. Now I can go back to Update Users and click on Execute to run this operation. And it has given us an error, invalid primary user email. Okay, so let's check this out. So our email domain is addonsstudio.com. Let's copy it. Let's go to our domains and do a Control F here. And it seems we have put the wrong domain. Our domain is addonsstudio.com. So let's go back. Let's use the Smart Filters function again. Execute. So this time I'll quickly fill up the information, addonsstudio.com, and let me copy that too to avoid the same mistake. Okay, remove the spaces, write GW Demo. I can skip this, understand, export. It has exported the beta. Now let's go to Update Users, run the function. This time the users are updated, so let's go back. And let's go to our users under directory. And here we go to GW Manager. And let's reload the browser. GW Demo. And all the users are renamed, keeping their same username but a different rebranded domain. This is how you can use smart filters to run operations on filtered users' data. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' feedback. In fact, smart filters is the result of customers' feedback. To learn more, please visit our website, gwmanager.com. Thank you for watching.